Good afternoon, this is Colton with Build Brothers Roofing and Solar doing a digital roof inspection here out in the Ocean Beach area. We'd like to do these inspection videos to outline the current condition of the roof and provide a recommended action, and in this case an action plan for roofing this structure. We're going to hopefully be replacing some windows as well, but roofing probably should be the first thing from top down construction upgrades. So as far as access goes, this is where all the material will come off the roof. This is a tar and gravel roof, super old roofing system that was used 30, 40, 50 years ago. And now the roofing systems that are used are, way more energy efficient. And two roofing systems are used for flat roofs. One is called torch down, modified bitumen torch down, which is basically just a rolled granular sheet of tar that you can see kind of on the edges right here that heats up, and the tar creates the weld. Well, nowadays there's actually a better material called TPO. It's thermal polyolefin is the word, but it's basically a vinyl material that's a single ply material. It's a rolled roofing material, but it's way more reflective of heat. It's going to keep the tenants way cooler. It has a 20-year manufacturer warranty versus torch down only has a 12-year manufacturer warranty. It's a way superior flat roofing system, and it's compliant with Title 24 energy requirements. Tar and gravel and torch down roofs fail on the edges where the tar heats up and it starts to pull away. So we're seeing a lot of repairs done to the edges around here. And then the gutter system is old as well, so we're going to actually quote out new gutters on the same sections that we have it. All the wiring over the top can be moved for the roofing project, and we can roof underneath it, but all the tar and gravel is going to be brushed to the edge. We're going to take it off in our dump trucks here. All new drip edge metal will get installed around the perimeter. It'll be a white clad metal drip edge that matches the TPO color, and then you can see a lot of the edges where the repairs have been made, where the tar is receding. Moving on here, the sensitive areas of this roof are the ponding areas, and so all the roof drains are going to be replaced with TPO drains. You do have a couple soft spots where there'll probably be plywood that needs to be replaced once the roof is taken off. This coping metal will be quoted out for replacement because it is so rusted out. You can see the deterioration being so close to the ocean, and you can even see areas where water is getting directly in right here. This is not good. We got to quote out this for new coping metal. And this continues all the way on top of this, what we call a parapet wall. And this is a mansard roof, which is this section right here that's very steep and is almost like an architectural detail of this property. You can see the holes right here. But new coping metal needs to go under here. What we're going to recommend is shingles. Asphalt shingles is a better product. You can see it right here, a gray. Over there they did a brown. You can do a darker color. But asphalt shingles is what's recommended for these mansards. It saves on cost for installation. It's going to provide the same, roofing system warranty. New gutters, all the fascia on this mansard needs to be replaced. So we're going to go ahead and quote that out. Now, the key question is, how do you, replace all of this roof with it being so steep and so high up? We are going to need to add scaffolding. We're going to add scaffolding up here, and this scaffolding will allow us to access the fascia board safely and replace this roof. And then all new coping metal. As you can see, there's so much damage to this coping metal right here. We will need to have scaffolding coming up right here to replace these gutters in order to access the fascia. And then it's the only right way to do it. You can't replace this mansard roof without a scaffolding system because it's simply too steep, it's too dangerous, there's too much liability. You need to do it correctly, and then all the fascia needs to be replaced as well. There's no way for guys to just float and replace that. We need to have a secure structure. So scaffolding will be quoted in the front. We'll coordinate that. New coping metal will be quoted out. New gutters, new fascia, TPO roofing system, replace the drains. Any bad plywood that's discovered will be billed on a change order basis. And this is a great roofing project, great roofing system that we'll install. We'll put our lifetime workmanship warranty on it. And then once we finish this, we'll probably move on to the gutters as well. So I'm going to get this working, and the numbers worked out for the owner. Thank you.